Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Kidia Masi Precious, a student of Gulu University. My name, particularly the surname Kidia, has some meaning because it is an Acoli name. To explain it to you, my name means being forced, being influenced. So in Acoli, there are names with their meanings. So that is the meaning of my name, Kidia. I'm going to be taking you through some lessons to learn Acoli, the language basically, and pertaining that, there are some objectives which I'm going to take you through, things we expect you to be able to achieve by the end of the program. So when you're here and you're not an Acoli, you need to interact. You need to find your way around. You need to know the basics. You need to know simple Acoli, simple words, really, that someone can understand when you speak. For instance, you can say pee. Pee is water. You know water is life. We expect you to understand the culture of Acoli as well. You know that some norms, traditions that really people don't know. You can see Acoli from the exterior. You don't know really where they're from, things they believe in. This program is going to help you understand it better, because there are things you can do from your side and it's okay, but when you come here and you do it, it's really not okay. That is what I mean by culture. Culture can differ. Next, we'll also expect you to be able to write Acoli. For instance, when you're here and you're going for the traditional marriage, you have to write a letter to the girl's parents. Now, you don't expect my great-grandfather, who is in the village, to understand English. Even if he does, the letter needs to be written in Acoli. So this program is going to help you be able to write Acoli as well. And then lastly, by the end of the program, we expect you to be able to sign, use a bit of sign in Acoli. There are some signs that you use here that are obscene, but when you use it the other side, they are not obscene at all. So basically for today, we are going to go through some greetings. Of course, you know when you go somewhere, the best way to be polite is to first greet someone. So the first greeting I'm going to take you through is good morning. When you wake up in the morning, you want to check on someone, how the person has woken up. When you want to say good morning, you say icho nining, or icho mabe. That is a question. You're posing a question to the other person. The person can answer acho mabe. That is if the person is fine that morning. Or acho marach. That is if the person is not okay that morning. So good morning is icho nining. Then you answer acho mabe or acho marach. Then when you want to see how the person is, you can, like, how are you? In Acoli, you say it like itie nining. Very simple. Itie nining. How are you? Itie nining. Then the person can answer atie mabe. That is if the person is fine. Atie mabe, itie nining. As simple as that. Then, you know, youth, it's very common. What's up? In Acoli, it's like kobango. Kopango is kope. When someone tells you kopango, you say kope. As simple as that. And then, of course, you need to also appreciate whatever, anything you get, you can say appreciate. And the way to say appreciation, the way to say thank you in Acoli is afoyo. The next time we are going to take you into details of what given the overview of. I remain Kidia Masi Precious. Same time, same place. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your matter.